In domestic electric circuits, the wiring with 15A current rating is for the electric devices which have A. Higher power ratings such as geyser. B. Lower power ratings such as fan. C. Metallic bodies and low power ratings. D. Non-metallic bodies and low power ratings. This question is about which type of electrical devices are typically connected to wiring with a 15-amp current rating in domestic electric circuits. The answer is A. Higher power ratings such as geysers. Here's why. 15-amp circuits are designed to handle more current than lower-rated circuits, such as 5-amp circuits. This is because they have thicker wires that can safely carry more electricity without overheating. Higher power devices, such as geysers, air conditioners, and electric ovens, draw more current than lower power devices, such as lights and fans. This is because they require more electricity to operate. Therefore, 15-amp circuits are typically used for higher power devices, while 5-amp circuits are typically used for lower power devices. It's important to use the correct type of circuit for the devices you are using. If you use a circuit that is not rated for the amount of current a device draws, you could overload the circuit and cause a fire. Here are some additional tips for electrical safety. Never overload a circuit. Use surge protectors to protect your devices from damage caused by power surges. Have your electrical system inspected by a qualified electrician regularly. Don't try to do electrical work yourself unless you are qualified to do so.